clothes. The 12 approached him and said, "Dismiss the crowd, so that we can go to the surrounding villages and farms, and find a lodging and provision." They all ate and were satisfied. And the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Inyo Paris. Maligayang pagdating po at maraming salamat po sa inyo pong pagdalaw dito sa Manila Cathedral. When we talk about or when we say that a person has flesh and bone, or from the celebration, our celebration itself, when we say that a person has flesh and blood, isa pong katiyakan ang ibinabao totoo at umari sa ating Pilipinas. And how is this actually the truth celebrated through the readings we have heard today? What do we do when we are in front of a real person? Most especially when we are in front of a real God through the bread. Now this is flesh and blood alive and true in front of this party. Came as a reality. What do we do in front of a real person? Or what does a real